Hi guys, thanks for watching. In today's video, we are starting to organize the nursery and put everything away. And if you've been following along on my pregnancy playlist, then you know this has been such a long time coming. I've been washing his clothes the last few days. I am dying to start putting everything away in there, you guys. I can't believe we've reached this point. You know from those update videos, we've been like waiting on furniture and painting the walls and doing projects and all that. Everything's here. His clothes are ready to be put away. And I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I have a lot of different ideas I think you will like. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's get started. I'm going to begin by setting up his changing station, and as you can see, it's the top drawer of his dresser. I really wanted it this way because everything's put away, there's nothing out, and everything is sectioned off in these dividers, these drawer organizers. These are from Amazon. I will link them for you. I love them. And on the far right side are the newborn diapers. I was going to say size 1. No, on the far right are newborn diapers. On the left are size 1. I know that some babies go straight to size 1, but it really makes me feel so much more prepared and better having as many things out and ready to go as possible, and anything we don't end up using we will be giving away to someone having a baby, so nothing is going to be wasted. This just helps like my sanity. Honestly, I feel a lot better having things out and ready to go, so that is what I'm focusing on in this video. And also, I thought I would mention the first half of the video is sped up like this, so you guys can see me working on a lot of different things, and then the second half is a walkthrough, and you will see a lot more of what I did last night, and I will talk about where things are from and all of that. So yeah, that's like a little layout of what the video is going to be like. But now I'm putting away the Frida Baby Basics kit. This is 4 different popular products from Frida Baby, and they have a label like on the front of them that tells you how to use it, so I'm cutting that out. I know that screams first time mom, but I want to make sure I'm using the products correctly. And now I'm using these multi-surface wipes from Dreft, and I'm using this to dust off his changing station. I also am using these in his closet, and I really like these. I have been doing a lot of laundry. All of his laundry is finished, so his clothes are kind of everywhere, and I'm going to hang all of them up in this video. Some of them I did start putting on the hangers, and some of them I still have to do that. And first I'm going to dust off everything in his closet. So the very top row that you guys saw, that is going to be the newborn to 3-month sizes, and I go through everything and show you what's in there and how I laid it out in the walkthrough, but so you know, it's all 3 months or less on the very top half.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step. Fell inside, now I'm living in a matchbox.
And in the center row are all of the acrylic bins. If you're new here, I love acrylic home organization items. I love being able to see what's in them. I think it looks really cool, and I bought all of those on Amazon, so I will link them for you as well. I do have an unboxing of them on my Instagram stories. I have an Amazon highlights tab if you want to see them a little bit better, but I'm very happy with them, and I filled up some of them in this video, or actually I filled up all of them, but some of them I filled up in these sped over clips, and then some of them I will be showing you in the walkthrough, so you guys will see everything everything that I put in them, and I will tell you why. And now I'm organizing all of his pants, and I've noticed that they definitely run very inconsistently with sizes. So some sizes I put with other sizes that I thought they should have been with in the first place, kind of thing. Like some 3 months are the same size as a newborn item, so I switched those around and put them from smallest to largest. And before I put anything away on the shelves, I'm wiping them down with the multi-surface wipes.
What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down.
And in the next few weeks, there will be a nursery tour up of the entire room. I will talk about everything in detail, show you everything in detail. I probably should have said that in the beginning of the video. So that is coming soon. If you've been following along on these update videos, then you've seen so much of this room come together, and I feel like it has come a very long way. But in the nursery tour, I want to show you the setup and the layouts and go over everything. So keep an eye out for that video. It feels so good having all of this stuff done. I'm in my 31st week. And honestly, it's getting harder and harder to move around and bend over. So that's why I wanted this stuff done.
It feels like, but I do.
And it's the next day. I feel like nothing is 7 months pregnant. Like I can't finish a video in a day. After I stopped filming last night, I did a lot more, and the room is looking really good. So many things have been put together, put away, and set up. So let's go check it out. I forgot to say this in the last clip, but if there's anything you don't see in the room that you think I need, please let me know in the comments. Like any lotions, potions, or drops. I know there's things like that. A vitamin D drop or a gas drop or something that people swear by. So all that stuff, please tell me, because I don't know anything about it. I'm almost done with everything, but I know there's still like things like that I need. So yeah, let me know. Now let's go. The first area is his dresser and changing table, and it is a really rainy day, so I have a lot of lights on in here. Hopefully it won't be too dark at all, but the very first drawer is his diapers and wipes that you guys saw, his lotions. I have like a diaper rash cream, hand sanitizers, all of those little things, but anything specific that you guys think I need for all that stuff, please let me know. And then a thermometer. I bought this on Amazon. It literally came in the mail like 3 minutes ago, and I just put it in here. I will link it. It has like thousands of reviews if you need a baby thermometer too. This drawer is completely empty. I don't know what I'm going to put in here. And then the very last drawer is where I'm going to put all of his extra stuff. So there are some diapers right here, wipes right here. Those are a few extra things for his diaper pail. And then over here is all the manuals for the hatch baby, the changing pad, and then for his crib. And the next area I set up last night was his bed. So I did wipe it all down with the multi-surface wipes, and then I put on the sheet on his mattress. I cannot think of the most random words. I put this sheet on his mattress. I have 3 sheets so far. They all are from Target, and I thought that was really cute having the clouds on the sheets because the balloons are on the wall, so, and some clouds actually. So I feel like that fits. And this blanket is from Amazon. I will link it. I unboxed this on my Instagram as well. I want to get a lot of like fairly nice blankets, and by that I mean ones that are a little bit thicker instead of an entire set. One, because the sets are so expensive. I see sets for like $100 or more, and I don't even like them that much. I haven't seen one that's really stuck out to me, so I think I'm going to do my own setup in terms of everything that goes in there. I know it can't be a whole lot when he's in there, but he won't be in there for a very long time, so for now it's just for looks. Now for his closet. So this is what it's looking like since everything I did last night, and I think it is adorable, you guys. I'm so happy with how it's looking. I will say that I need to put some baskets right here for sure, like flat ones on either side, and then the trim still isn't done on the bottom. But besides that, it's basically done. And so I have all of his socks over here. They're in a stack of 2 or 3 different pairs. And then up here is the newborn to 3 months. I think it's like the newborn and the 0 to 3 months. And then over here is 3 months and 3 to 6 months. Honestly, I don't know if 3-month sizes and 3 to 6 month is the same exact thing or not, so let me know. But that's basically everything up here. And then over here is 6 months, and over here is 1 year. Haven't gotten a lot of that stuff. I'm not really worried about that right now. I just want to make sure that he has enough stuff in this size range. So right here are all of his little shoes. And what you see in the back, the gold, is paper from Michaels. They have those stands with like tons of different paper on them, and I cut it to size and put it against the wall. So I think it looks really cute. I saw that idea on Pinterest. I know with the lights behind me, it's kind of hard to see, but it just peeks out a little bit. So from that side, I feel like you can see it a little bit better what it looks like. Really, really cute. And this one is his pacifiers. I have a few different kinds of those, and then in the back there are wipes for pacifiers. I know I probably don't actually need that, but it makes me feel better. Up here, let me pull this down actually. And in here are his bibs, also his burp cloths, and then there's like a sleep sack in there as well. All of that is organized. And this one are all of his pants, and this is the newborn to 3 to 6 months in here. And then down here is his mittens and his hats. I have a lot of those mittens in case he scratches himself, and then hats again are arranged from the newborn to 6 months. On this shelf I have a blanket, and down here are his extra fitted sheets for his crib. And in this basket are swaddles, blankets, and one of those things that they lay on. Again, the trim is not done. It's so hard for me to look at that. I have such a thing when it comes to trim, as many of you guys know. So yeah, that will be all finished and nice looking, but it's a lot of blankets in here, like thinner blankets. Some of them are a muslin fabric, some of them are cottons, and I know people use those for anything and everything around the house, so I know those will be really good to have on hand. These two are Solly Baby swaddles, I think, or no, it's not called a swaddle, a wrap. These two are Solly Baby wraps. And up top are things we won't need for a while. So the left one is swimsuits, the middle one is a changing pad for the car, and then the last one is a bib with like a chewy thing on it for teething, sunglasses. So random stuff that is not essential for a newborn at the moment is all up top. And lastly is how everything is organized in here. So the bodysuits, I'm probably not saying the right terms for everything. Let me know what I should be calling everything. But the bodysuits for newborn are right here, and then the sleeves are right there. I believe those are called a onesie, right? I don't know. And then some sets, like for example, if a top has pants that go with it, it's on the same hanger. And then his sleepers for his newborn size into the 0 to 3 month size, sweaters, and a lot more of those like sleepers and bodysuit things. Over here is basically the same categories, except all of this is 3 months or 3 to 6 months. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you like how the nursery is looking. There are a few more things to do, and then I will do that tour like I said. So thank you so much for spending the time with me today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you're new here. A lot of things are linked below for you guys. Recent videos, pregnancy playlist, different things for Amazon I showed you in this video. So don't miss out on that. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!